everyone, my name is Alexandra and welcome to Creative 404. Man, it's been a long time since I've done a unboxing video like this. It's actually been a while since I've even unboxed something. I don't know, I'm tired. I am super exhausted. I've been actually struggling really bad these last couple of weeks with depression. Not that it's like a bad thing, it's more biological. I have a hard time staying awake when my depression hits really hard, and as of late I've just been really exhausted, tired, demotivated, and I just can't seem to concentrate lately. I have been doing a lot of things onto the side. If you follow my Facebook group, you know that I've been working on some beautiful little sewing stuff. My dog is playing with a ball, and some Blythe pulls and things like that, but it has been something else. I am super tired. I look a wreck. I am just, oh my god. Anyway, let's get started on this video. I have here my second ever clearance doll. When I did my last clearance doll, which was a extra, Barbie extra doll, I actually found this the very next week, which was a Target find. It is a little bit broken on the side, the box, but I don't really care too much about that. If anything, I might keep some of these. These are like really cool. I'd throw the box away, so I didn't really care too much. Yeah, it's missing 3 of these, but these aren't too bad. I'm sure I can find something to use them with. They're kind of sticky. I need to wash them with Goopy Gone. But yeah, I thought that was interesting. I'll find something to do. That'll go in my junk drawer. But I have here Jett Dawson. She is the fashion doll with the fashion artist doll. She has her sewing stuff, and I'm really excited to open her. I totally forgot to bring my X-Acto blade, but we will see. What's this thing? I like opening these dolls on camera and showing you guys, you know, how fun and easy some of these packaging are. I say sarcastically. Actually, this one isn't too bad. I say that, I hope I didn't speak too soon. Oh no, it actually is really nice to open this one. How much of a change is that? I really like this. I sew a lot, so I wanted something that kind of reflected my sewing abilities, and when I saw her, I was like, oh, she's a little sewing doll. How cute is that? It's a little rainbow high sewing mannequin from 2001. It is adorable. It has like a cloth finish. It comes with a rainbow little measuring tape. It has the imperial and metric, and that's really neat. I really just wanted the mannequin and the sewing machine. I like the doll herself. I think her lipstick is the best, but I'm a little bit, oop, I broke it. I broke it again, no. Okay, let's put these back. It's cool, this one actually has functioning rollers. That's really neat. So cool. My tablecloth is all kinds of messed up right now. That's fine. Look at the little sewing machine. How adorable. Bands. Okay, here we go. It has holes in the bottom of the box. That's not cool, but that's fine. She has some really cool little rainbow little sandals, like gladiator sandals. This box is really cool too. If it will, it got little tabs in it. That's not cool. But that's cool. I like the little box. Let's try to get the other box out. Ah, that was easier. Haha. This one comes with a little, what is it called? A hanger that says rainbow. I just like the box. The box is really cool. I like the box. See, look at the box. I love the box. This extra outfit really isn't something I particularly like. I mean, it's not exactly pretty. I think it looks actually kind of ugly. That's fine. See? I don't care for it. Let's see the doll. Oh, she has tiny gloves on. That's a nice little find. I'll be back. I gotta get scissors. Scissors! Tiny, tiny scissors. So far, this doll is really cute. I think she is adorable. She has leather gloves on, which is just too cute with the fingerless gloves. She is adorable. I am really digging her a lot. I don't like her clothes or her fashion sense on this particular one. But the fashion is just like secondary to me right now when it comes to her. Besides the gloves, I don't particularly like the rest of her outfit personally. But I am digging her color. Like, her skin color is a peachy pale. Her lips are just the beautiful little coral color. Her eyes are the purple. She has great face. Her nose just looks adorable. She has earring holes, but she had no earrings that I am aware of. But she's really cute, and I think she's really adorable. Look, she's so cute. I'm actually pretty pleased with her. I think she would look better as a black head, like completely black hair. Instead of having the two-toned, I think she would look really better, much better with a black hair. But I'm really pleased with her. I mainly bought it, of course, because I wanted all the little accessories. I wanted the little, the mannequin, the little sewing machine. But the doll is also kind of nice, and she was in clearance, so I mean, I think I spent like $10 on her, so she was a really good price considering she's like normally $40. But I'm really happy. I think it's a really great deal. She's pretty. I love her hair. If it was one color, I'd enjoy it even more. But I think she's pretty, and I think she'll make a really good custom doll. I want to do some customizations on some dolls, and I think she'll do really well for a custom. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, and if you want to see more like it, don't forget to give this channel a subscribe. And if you have any comments, do you have this girl? I wanted to know what you think. Do you have her? Do you want her? Is she something that you enjoy? Please put it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching once more. Bye bye for now. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye.